The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome redefines luxury and performance. The future mobile home blends Lamborghini's aggressive design DNA into a dramatic, high-performance luxury residence for people who want supercar style and road-dominating presence on the go. Exterior design. The Lamborghini Motorhome draws attention. Revuelto and Cyan inspired the crisp, aerodynamic body. Lightweight carbon fiber panels with forged aluminum accents enhance structural strength. Features include Y-shaped LED light patterns, scissor-style front doors, and a low, broad stance despite its size. Solar panel decking and retractable side slide-outs on hidden roof patio. Paint with high-gloss metallics, matte carbon, or Lamborghini ad personam colors. Interior design features. Every detail reflects Lamborghini's obsession with speed, power, and prestige in your house. 1. Living room. Angular lines, Alcantara, and carbon fiber surfaces exude modernity. Racing-style stitched modular leather seating and ambient LED lights. 65-inch 8K OLED display with Lamborghini Tune Bang and Olufsen sound. Smart touchscreen, voice, and gesture-controlled floating center console. 2. Kitchenette. Premium galley kitchen with black titanium countertops, induction cooking, and smart appliances. Lamborghini etched crystal, secret wine chiller, and mechanized drawers. Backlit shelves, climate-controlled storage, and no handles. 3rd bedroom suite. Queen-size floating bed with electromagnetic suspension for vibration-free slumber. An interactive LED ceiling lets you alter lighting from track day to midnight cruise. Footboard-mounted biometric lock closet with private entertainment screen. The walls are soundproofed with Alcantara panels and thermal insulation for maximum comfort. 4. Luxury restroom. The enclosed wet room has a rainfall shower, steam function, and black marble tiles. Smart mirror with mood lighting, health insights, and facial recognition. A heated floor, sleek vanity, and exquisite ceramic toilet with bidet are luxury amenities. Ambient music and lighting controlled by voice or presence. Performance/powertrain electric, powered 1,000+ horsepower hybrid V12 engine. Active torque vectoring and air suspension give all-wheel drive smooth gliding at any speed. The Lamborghini ANIMA system is geared for road, off-road, and stability-focused living mode. Active aerodynamics, rear-wheel steering, and carbon ceramic braking for precise handling. Tech, autonomy. Level 3 autonomy with driver's seat paddle shifters for override. Integrated smart home. App or voice control lights, music, blinds, climate, and appliances. Solar charged battery bank uses supercapacitor technology for fast energy cycling. Satellite internet, 5G, and encrypted cloud storage. Customization, exclusivity, limited to 50 units globally, personalized by Lamborghini ad personam studio. Personalized emblems, interior materials, tech specs, and color schemes. Lamborghini 2-seat electric scooter with secret back compartment. No ordinary RV, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a lifestyle statement. If you want Lamborghini power and 5-star comfort, ultra-premium road travel is the future. Drive, live, own the road.